Hello! Today in front of me I have Motorola Moto E40 smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can set Opera as the default browsing app on this device. So first of all, you want to launch the settings. Next, enter the apps and notifications category. Expand the available sections, go for the default apps, browser app, and in here simply select Opera by tapping on it. That is also the second way to set Opera as the default browser directly from the application, so let's launch it. At the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar, then on this gear icon. Next, scroll the page for a little bit. Tap on the default browser, click on next, select Opera and choose to set it as default. And that will also effectively mean that you have successfully made Opera the default app for browsing on this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.